Hi, I wanted to share with you, I recently had surgery and I woke up this morning with a little bit of blood inside my tank top that I was wearing. And so I'm gonna give the Norwex Stain Remover a go on this. This is an enzyme-based product. Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts to break down organic matter. So I'm just gonna put this on, and it's not a spray, it's a very thick gel, so you want to use the nozzle that's on it. So I put that on there. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes and we will see how well it breaks up the stain. Here we have the finished tank, and look, this is where the stain was. It is completely gone, and I love this tank right now. It's just so comfortable, and I only have one white one and a black one, and I really wanted to save it. So the stain remover did its job, and you can also use stain remover on a number of other things, grass stains, grease stains, you name it. It's just a great thing to have in your laundry room.